নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা তরফ থেকে আজকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 43 আপনাদের সবার প্রিয় জর্জেট বেনারসি আমারও খুব প্রিয়। সুতরাং দেরি না করে স্টার্ট করি। খুব সুন্দর কিছু জর্জেট বেনারসি আজকে আমি দেখাবো। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 চেকসের ওপর। আমি যেরকম পরে আছি পুরোটা চেকের ওপর আছে, সেরকমই একটা এখানে দেখাবো। এটা চেকসের ওপর আছে, একদম নতুন উইভিং। সাধারণত পোলকা বা ডটে এরকম করা হয়, এটা পুরো চেকসের মধ্যে উইভিং করিয়েছি। খুব স্মার্ট লুকটা। অরেঞ্জ অ্যান্ড রানি কম্বিনেশনের ওপর বর্ডারটা পুরো রানিতে আসছে, আর বডিটা ব্রাইট অরেঞ্জ কিন্তু লাউড না, খুব সুন্দর। মানে অরেঞ্জটা লাউড অরেঞ্জ না, রাস্টিশ অরেঞ্জ। ইটস আ ভেরি স্কিন ফ্রেন্ডলি কালার, ভেরি সোবার অরেঞ্জ with antique zari weaving in the border and the checks. The checks is also woven, nothing is printed. Fully woven, hand woven, pure Georgette Banarasi. Product number 1, 9,950 rupees. All over checkered weave. Here goes the whole look. And with contrast magenta border and blouse piece. This is the sari with the blouse piece. So very smart look, orange and rani combination. Again number 2, same price, 9,950 rupees in midnight blue and green combination. So since I'm draping it on myself, you can at least have an idea how it will look on you. It's a beautiful shade of dark midnight blue with Rama green combination. Very smart color. You can wear it for a long time. 9,950 rupees. And those who want a bright shade but at the same time wants to avoid red rani pinks, so this would be a very nice combination for them. Gold jewelry looks very nice with this, even multicolored stones. Traditional jewelry will go very well with this. This is a nice viridian green with rani combination, magenta rani. Due to the light, there may be a difference of 18-20%, but very less. I mean, it's minimum difference in the color because of the light maybe, but basically that's why I'm telling you the color myself. It's dark viridian green with rani magenta border, antique gold zari, and all over woven checks. I'll show you the back part also. This is the back part of the sari weave, hand woven from the land of temples, Banaras. 9,950 once again. This is the whole look. So this is the sari. With magenta blouse piece. This is the sari. Black and red. So obviously it's a very in demand combination. Red pallu, red blouse piece, same price, 9,950 rupees. Very sleek woven border. See and these are very heavy quality Georgette, not the lower count thread. These are all heavy quality Georgettes, all hand woven pure Georgette. Product number 4. Product number 5, purple, the same color that I'm wearing almost. This is purple, I'm wearing a burgundy color. Deep light difference is there. See, you can see the difference, slightly different. Mine is a darker shade, this is more of purple. These are single border, what I'm wearing is a double border with magenta border, again antique zari. 9,950. If you like the product, kindly take the screenshot where there's the number mentioned and even the color, you can see the color. Just click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Kindly like, share and subscribe so that it reaches to more customers or sari lovers throughout the world. Purple and Rani. You have to WhatsApp me. Once I confirm you about the availability of the product, only then I will give you the bank details. Just mention your name and your destination where to ship so that it becomes easy for me to give you the total. Cash on delivery is possible only in Kolkata. This is a beautiful fuchsia pink, pale rose pink with silverish gold zari all over. All over jal weave. It's a beautiful English tone combination with light pista and fuchsia pink color. Just see the beautiful combination. This is the pallu and obviously the blouse will also be in. It's not actually olive green, it's light military green, crayon green you can say, very nice color. See, this is the actual blouse piece. This is the look. All over jal weave. Just see the back side. All over hand woven, hand cut products. These are, I spend a lot of time with my weavers so I can see how the children of their family, the whole day the women of the family and the kids, small kids, all 8 years, 9 years to 11, 12 years, at home they are always cutting the back side of the thread. See the weave. This is also a very uncommon color in aqua blue. It's also a crayon blue, not sky. It's a pale greenish sky blue color with a lavender border. Very unique combination, again in the same jal weave. 11,900 rupees. 11,900. This is the pallu part. And this is the sari, and here is the beautiful unique color combination blouse piece. Very sober, classy combination. Now for the bottle green double border, 11,900 again. Double border, just see the rich weave. This two border in navy blue and magenta with bottle green. All three colors are very rich color. Just see the concept and the design, the weaving, the finish. Even if it's antique zari, the finish is so neat. This is where the artistry lies. 11,900 again with blouse piece contrast. Like you can wear it like how I've made this with a double border. Since these are two color, you can use the sleeves transparent, or you can, because it's a very good quality georgette. You don't need lining. I've not used lining here. It's very good quality. So if you want, of course you can give lining. So you can make the sleeves in this midnight blue and the body in magenta silk. So it will give you another two color concept in the blouse also. So this is the thing. It's just a suggestion. Of course you can have more better ideas how to make it a little different. This is the bottle green, rich dark bottle green color. Product number 9, again in double border. It's not royal blue actually, but not even navy blue, in between royal and navy. Beautiful dark royal blue you can say, with turquoise and magenta double border. Turquoise and magenta double border. Here is the whole look. Magenta blouse piece and double pallu. We have two branches in Kolkata. 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. There are two WhatsApp numbers that's going. So once you leave the message, if it's working day, definitely you will receive it very soon. If it's a non-working day or maybe a holiday, so maybe it will take some time for you to receive the messages or the tracking number or the details. So please bear with us. We have two branches again. I've already told you, Sunday we are closed. The rest of the days, Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. we are there to serve you. Please visit the store for more options, more collections for the tailoring unit, tailoring department. We do stitch blouses. So this is a very beautiful combination in ivory and purple. Lovely combination, ivory and purple. Just see the combination. Very rich color combination. This is all over antique zari buta. Beautiful butas in antique zari. And this is the pallu. Just see the rich pallu. All single piece. These cannot be recreated. Yes, it will be we have more stocks. Georgette Banarsis keep coming, but each will be different from each other. With purple, this is the blouse piece. In case again if I miss out the price or anything, please kindly check the description box for the details. So let me tell you about my sari. Even I am wearing a checkered double border Georgette Banarasi. This is the double border. So my blouse I've made it this way. The other blouse you can always make it your style. This is the blouse piece with this. 10,900 rupees. And this is the neck piece, 3,800. And this is the pair of 4 bangles, pearl setting, 1690, set of 4. And you will get a matching earrings with the neck piece also. This is beautiful ruby setting, antique premium neck piece, jewelry with earrings. Okay, so product number 11, similar type as number 10 but with a black border, very elegant. With this again you can make a red body and a black sleeves. That will also look very nice. And those who again want to avoid red can always go for dark maroon or a bottle green with black also. Even magenta will look very nice with this if you want to mix and match, but there is enough fabric for a elbow length blouse piece. 10,500 rupees. This is the whole look. Very comfortable, skin friendly, pure Georgette hand woven blouse piece, border. This is the look. Number 12. So these are the new collections that have just arrived. Shikarga weave throughout all over, very tiny peacock all over with Shikarga border again. It's a deep burgundy kind of a blue with green border. Very unique color. 10,900 rupees. Green pallu and green blouse piece. I can just show you how heavy this quality is. We always try to give the best of quality. I mean, we do not compromise with the material. So those who are those who are our customers, they know they are all returning customers. They know about the online shopping, it's very risky, but still I can say you can be rest assured of our quality. This is the look. And I'm so glad I could gain your trust and even giving me a good platform in this YouTube channel. I'm very new to this, but still I've reached little bit of your hearts. I've occupied a little bit of your hearts. So thank you so much for your support. This is the peacock weave again, all over with off-white and Rani border. This is the pallu. This is the blouse piece, and this is the sari. Product number 14. This is also a very unique English shade in Shikarga again, all over weaving. Lovely shade of greyish pista with black border, 11,900 rupees. 11,900, all over jal weave with black blouse. This is the look. This is the black blouse. You can wear silver jewelry with this also, but though this is not silver zari, this is antique gold silver mixed zari, very pretty zari. It's not shiny, it's not very antique also, but very nice zari. You can wear any kind of jewelry with this. Our favorite, especially for the bride's mother or in-law, for gifting, for anniversaries, gold and red. Off-white body with big buta, gold all over, light gold buta, very rich border, and pallu. And the best part is this red is a very dark red, very pretty red, so that the gold is standing out very well. Not the loud red. This is a very deep red and very pretty red, but not maroon, it's red. I'll show you the blouse so you'll have an idea what a beautiful red it is. যেটা আমরা বলি একদম ডিপ সিঁদুরে লাল, মানে ভীষণ সুন্দর কালারটা। This is the look. আর যে বড় বড় বুটিটা গেছে না অল ওভার, ভীষণ ভালো লাগবে, মানে একদম রিচ, খুব ভালো কম্বিনেশনটা। আচ্ছা, এবারে যারা ধরুন একটুখানি ফ্যাশনেবল সাজেন তাদের জন্য এই শাড়িটা খুব ভালো হবে। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 16, 12,600 রুপিস, 12,600, অল গোল্ড, আইভরির ওপর জাল গোল্ড উইভ। মানে এটার সাথে কি ভালো সাজা যায়, মানে যারা একটু কোনো স্টেটমেন্ট জুয়েলারি আপনারা হাইলাইট করতে চান, ধরুন কোনো মানে খুব জুয়েলারি গয়না দিয়ে যদি পরতে চান, এটা ভীষণই ভালো হবে। চেষ্টা করুন এটার সাথে কন্ট্রাস্ট জুয়েলারি পরান, যদি আপনারা সেম ব্লাউজ দিয়ে পরেন। আবার এটার সাথে কিন্তু আপনারা কন্ট্রাস্ট ব্লাউজ দিয়েও পরতে পারেন, যেরকম এটার সাথে আপনি ওয়াইন কালার ব্লাউজ দিয়ে পরতে পারেন, বটল গ্রিন ব্লাউজ দিয়ে পরতে পারেন, ম্যাজেন্টা, রেড, অনেক কিছু কন্ট্রাস্ট ব্লাউজ, সিল্ক এক কালারের ব্লাউজ দিয়ে বর্ডার ইউজ করে পরতে পারেন টু হাইলাইট ইয়োর শাড়ি অ্যান্ড দ্য জুয়েলারি। খুব সুন্দর শাড়িটা, 12,600। আমি ক্লোজলি এটার উইভটা দেখাবো, কারণ এটার মধ্যে এত সুন্দর জাল উইভ, একটা পুরো গোল্ড এফেক্ট আছে এই শাড়িটার মধ্যে। মানে খুবই ক্লাসি, এটা ভীষণ নানান রকম ভাবে সাজা যায় এটার সাথে, মানে বিউটিফুল কনসেপ্ট আসবে। এমনিতে এটা ব্লাউজ পিসটা তো এটা আইভরিতে আসছেই, দিস ইজ দ্য ব্লাউজ পিস, বাট দ্য হোল শাড়ি আফটার ড্রেপিং, দেখুন আমি একটা রানী ব্লাউজের সাথে পরেছি, এটার সাথেও কিন্তু ভালো লাগছে। সুতরাং আমার মনে হয় যে কোনো কালার এই কালারের সাথে চলে যায়। 12,600, ফুললি হ্যান্ড ওভেন, বিউটিফুল ivory color and gold. Royal blue and parrot green. It's a very jhakass combination, you can say. Royal and parrot green, two bright colors, but at the same time it really stands out. Just see the combination. Here is the pallu, 11,500 rupees, 11,500, all over butta. This is the blouse piece in parrot contrast, parrot green. This is the look. Now with this I would suggest don't go for any experimental colors, wear with this blouse itself, because it will be very difficult for you to make mix and match. At least I'm not finding anything that I could suggest you, so I would suggest that you wear it with the same blouse, parrot green only. Now this is another unique color. I remember I had wasted 3 fabrics to get this dye done. It's a beautiful dark peach color with what color? Wine color border. Lovely combination with big butta. And those sarees I had to dye it black. But finally I got the color right. 11,900. This is a beautiful shade and it's a very unique shade. I don't know whether again I will be able to dye the same color again. This is the pallu. This is the look. This is the saree. Product number 19, deep green and black, 10,500 rupees. Antique zari, antique gold, green and black, black pallu, and of course with black blouse. 10,500 rupees. This is the saree. Black blouse. The whole look. Product number 20. I have the same saree. I had worn it few episodes ago in Rani color, and there was a lot of demand, so Rani I couldn't make anymore, so I've made a red one. So those who wanted this can just check out this bright red color. It's very small butta all over in pure georgette. This is the woven border and this is the corner butta pallu. Very bright red, very sweet red for young brides and bride sister, bridesmaid. Very pretty one. For the bride's friends also, you know, it will look very nice. Bright red color with all over small butta and corner butta. Very pretty shade of red. And the pallu is Very, very unique, very rich woven artistic pallu. And this is priced rupees. Yeah, I found it. It's 12,500 rupees. So in case you like the products, please do like, share and subscribe, leave a comment and keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much.